In this video, we'll be replacing the mirror turn signal lights in this 2020 Ford Ranger with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. For this installation, you'll need a trim tool. Use your trim tool and insert it into the gap above the light assembly. Pry up to free the plastic cover on the mirror. Now use your tool in the gap between the cover and the mirror to pry it free. We highlight here how the clips hold it in place. Now use your tool on the front edge of the light assembly. Insert the tool and pry free the clip holding it in. With that side free, now pull the light towards the car to free it. Pull the socket out to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED bulb, and test it. Line up the tabs on the socket and push it all the way in. Slide the outside edge of the light assembly in first. Then use your trim tool to guide the clip into place on the other side. To replace the cover, line up the bottom tabs starting on the inner corner. Push the cover into place, locking in the tabs. Use your trim tool and insert it into the top gap of the light assembly. Pry up to free the plastic cover on the mirror and remove it. Now use your tool in the front edge of the light assembly. Insert the tool and use it to pry free the clip holding it in. Now pull the light towards the car to free it. Pull the socket out to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED bulb, and test it. Line up the tabs on the socket and push it all the way in. Slide the outside edge of the light assembly in first. Then use your trim tool to guide the clip into place on the other side. Replace the cover. Line up the bottom tabs starting on the inner corner and push the cover into place, locking the tabs in. These new LED bulbs in the mirror turn signal look great, and they're hard not to miss.